There's a bird in the chair. This bird keeps flying from the chair to the basket on the left of the door, and then he'll sit on the handle. Let's see if he's going to do his routine for you. He's amazing. Oops, now he's on the ground. Now you can't see him. Maybe, yeah, this is going to be a wait for it. See him right there at the bottom of the window? Little head, just his little head peeping up. Peep up. Peep up. He wants in. He'll sit on the handle and carry on. See him there? Yeah. I think it's the same bird. There's lots and lots of food out there. There, see, now he's on the basket on the left, and now he's on the door handle. What does this bird want from me? Now he's on the door, on the basket. Now he keeps doing this. I just would like to know what it's about. Must have some meaning. See him going back and forth. It's back and forth.